Manfred, what are the main criteria for ICT to go with the Leyard Group as a key supplier in the AV media visualization business?
In general, we have some experience and the jobs with Leyard products in the past, and we have looking for the development of Leyard in products and in presence in Europe. And we found Leyard is on a good and successful way. So the product portfolio is increasing, the quality they deliver is quite good, and the performance, especially we are looking for high resolution products. Leyard is one of the leading companies in high resolution products, so it's a good partner for us in our project business.
How went the FAT here with the European team?
The FAT here in Brasov went very well, so everything was very well prepared. All the screens has been set up and in operation, and as I could see, the crew here, they did check the products very deeply, and I had nearly no negative argument about quality, so we could very fast complete the factory acceptance test.
Fantastic. What to share next?
Yeah, we are ready to share with our partners, let's say the facility, the FAT, the repair center, that we can do the training together with our partners, and that's it. We are here for all our partners here in Europe.
Thank you. And what do you think to share next with the Leyard Group?
So we already started to share some things. So we invested in our rental department, high resolution products, especially made for high-class broadcast picture reproduction. The next step will be we will have a show inside ICT and Friends, where we invite all our customers and interested people to see LED products and solutions, if it's interactive or combined with virtual and augmented reality. Also, we offer all kind of solutions together with LED walls, which are more and more used in media facade installations inside and outside. And thank you very much for giving us some of your products to show at this event.
So why is the factory located here in Prešov in Slovakia for our European company?
Yeah, it's I think very important. We are a big, let's say, global company, and we are focusing on main 3 points. It's quality, delivery and cost, and we want to be very close to our partners. It means to reduce lead time as much as possible, to provide really good quality for our partners here in the EMEA region, and of course we would like to work on our efficiency to reduce the cost, and we bring here also the repair center. It means we are close with everything to our partners.
I would say thank you, and together we are strong.